Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Zelda-like game in Scratch. First, open Scratch and create a new project, naming it something like Hero's Quest. Next, delete the default cat sprite and import or draw your main character, ensuring it faces in one clear direction. Make sure your character is a suitable size, perhaps around 25% of its original scale, for good gameplay. This initial step is vital for our adventure. Now, let's bring our hero to life with movement controls. Use when key-pressed blocks to link the 4 arrow keys to changes in the player's X and Y coordinates. For example, pressing the right arrow should move your character 10 steps to the right. Add costume changes within these movement scripts to create a simple walking animation, making the player character feel more responsive and visually engaging. This makes controlling your hero intuitive. Next, we will craft our game's environment. Create various backdrops to represent different rooms or areas, designing them with pathways and obstacles. Use a simple color, such as black, for walls and then program your player's sprite to stop if it touches this specific color. This ensures the player stays within the intended game path and interacts realistically with the environment. Remember, good map design is key. Let's make our world more exciting by adding adversaries. Create a new sprite for an enemy, perhaps a slime or a goblin, and program it to patrol a short path using move and bounce if on edge blocks. Implement a simple sword swing animation for your player, perhaps a quick costume change. Then, when the sword touches an enemy, the enemy can disappear. This adds basic combat to your adventure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.